Hello, everyone. Welcome to this mini lecture. Previously, we learned about the PS workspace. In this lesson, let's explore some basic operations of PS. This lesson will be structured around 4 key sections. 1. Learning objectives. 2. Knowledge map. 3. Introduction to basic operations of Photoshop CC. 4. Summary. First, the learning objectives for this lesson are: 1. Effortlessly place images, save your work, and export it. 2. Master the undo, zoom in, and zoom out functions. 3. Grasp the concept of layers. This is the knowledge map for this lesson. 1. Place images. 2. Undo. 3. Zoom in and zoom out. 4. Layers. 5. Save. 6. Export. First, open PS and create a new canvas in the File menu. Rename the canvas to 123. Click Create, and a new canvas is created. We can perform related design operations on this canvas. Next, let's see how to place images. Whether you're creating a poster or any other design, you'll often need to place images on the canvas. But how exactly do we do that? In the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose the image to place, click Place, and the image will appear on the canvas with a cross symbol. Use the mouse to drag the 4 corners of the image to change its size and position. If you're happy with how it looks, just hit Enter. This will remove the cross symbol. You've just learned one method of placing an image. The second method is to click Place Linked, find the image to place, and place it. Similarly, drag the 4 corners to change the size and position of the image, and press Enter. These are the 2 methods of placing images. The difference between these 2 methods is that Place Embedded means the image is embedded in the PS file, and when the PS file is opened on another computer, the image will be displayed normally, but the PS file size will increase accordingly. Place Linked means linking the image to the PS file, and the image and PS file need to be moved together to another computer for the file to display normally. The PS file size will be smaller accordingly. This is the difference between the 2 methods of placing images. Next, we create a new layer and use the brush to perform some operations on this layer. If we accidentally make a mistake, we can undo it by using the History panel to revert to a previous state. Besides clicking the History panel to undo, we can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+Z to undo, which is the second method to undo. Thirdly, to zoom in and zoom out the canvas. You can hold down Ctrl and press plus on the keyboard to zoom in on the canvas. Hold down Ctrl and press minus to zoom out the canvas. This is the first method to zoom in and zoom out. The second method is to press the letter Z in the English input mode, and the mouse will turn into a magnifying glass. Drag the mouse to the left to zoom in, and to the right to zoom out. Fourthly, the meaning and function of layers. On different layers, use the brush to perform different operations and change colors to show the difference. At this point, we find that the content of different layers is different. When you click the eye icon on the left side of the layer, the content of that layer will disappear, and clicking it again will make it reappear. At the same time, we cannot move the content of the 4 layers together. If you need to move or delete the 4 layers together, you need to select all 4 layers and press the Delete key on the keyboard to delete them. When our work is complete, we need to save it by clicking File and then Save, saving it on the computer, and entering the desired file name. The save type can be chosen as PSD, PDD, PSDT, etc. If you need to save it as an image format, you can choose PNG or JPG format and click Save to complete the save. If you need to export the designed file, click File and then Export to quickly export it as a PNG format, but you cannot choose the image format. It can only be exported as a PNG format. Choose where to save the image, name it, and save it to complete the export. For exporting, select Export As, and you can set the image format, such as PNG, JPG, or GIF, and also set the image size, canvas, etc. Click Export to successfully export it. Finally, let's summarize the content of this lesson. Key points cover placing images, undoing, zooming in and out, saving and exporting files. The difficulty lies in the difference between the two methods of placing images. This concludes the first chapter. In the next chapter, we will explore the fundamentals of image processing. I believe this will deepen your understanding of the subject. All the basic operations of Photoshop CC have been explained. Please complete the exercises and practice more in your spare time to enhance your understanding and improve your skills. That concludes this lesson. See you next time.